Hello, my name's Nick Battersby. I'm Managing Director of REID Lifting. We specialise in the design and manufacture of lightweight portable lifting equipment. We've been established for 21 years and now in 2017 we're delighted to celebrate the opening of our new 45,000 square foot facility here in Chepstow. Our 3 days of celebration have included a sales conference for our international partners. The events have also included 2 schools coming through the facility, from Wydene Comprehensive and also from Thornwell Primary School. They've been treated to a viewing of the Bloodhound supersonic car, and we're also delighted to have been part of the Bloodhound project, which has been developed across the water at Avonmouth. Day 2 was our grand opening, where invited guests came to join us for a celebration of the official opening of our new facility. This film has been made to share with you some of the highlights of the 2 days, and I hope you enjoy it. What we want to achieve today with the sales conference is to update you guys as to where REID Lifting is at and where we're planning to go. As you can see, the company has changed and developed significantly over the last 3 or 4 years. We were in 13,000 square feet. We built 45,000 square feet, of which we're now occupying 30,000. In terms of people, in January 2014 we were 21. And on Monday, we have a couple of new starters on Monday. On Monday we will be 44 people. So that's the sort of direction that we're going in.
So at 1,000 miles per hour, once they've reached 1,000 miles per hour, they'll ease the throttle off and let the car naturally slow down. So then at 800 miles per hour, they've actually got some air brakes at the back which hinge open. That'll slow the car down to around sort of 400 miles per hour. Once the car reaches 400 miles per hour, the parachute will then open, and then at 200 miles per hour, Andy Green, the driver, will apply the brakes.
So this project for us, our involvement is that we built this gantry specifically for this car. So the actual car itself weighs about 5 tons, although it loses about a ton in weight through a run because of the fuel weight. So it gets a fair bit lighter by the time it gets to the end of the track. This product was designed specifically for British Airways for Heathrow Terminal 5. They came to us with a problem, saying they couldn't do the lifting of the motors that run their conveyor belts. We've got this confined space and we need to replace these motors from time to time. They fail. So we went away and designed the Rapides. Something that they could wheel in and put up and lift the motors out.
So yeah, as Tim said, this actually only weighs 33 kilograms, so it's very light, but it can lift half a ton. So it's impressive stuff.
It's really handy when it comes to man riding, because you can attach your fall arrest and retrieval device as well as your man riding winch on the same device. So it stops an end user having to have a second rescue method, because that can be incorporated into the fall arrest device and again attached on the same unit. It's very easy to get that out of the way, and you can get a nice big shackle through there without it blocking, without having to fiddle around too much.
And what sort of comments do you get from customers about REID lifting equipment in general?
In general, we always get the quality. They always said it's a very good quality and they like the products.
Great. And how have you found the sales conference today? Has it been useful?
Yeah, absolutely. Especially to meet other colleagues in the group, and we get some influence and we maybe can find some new business.
Welcome everybody, and thank you for coming to this, our celebration and opening of new premises, and hopefully a platform for REID Lifting entering the next phase of its development. In terms of growing, I dreaded the thought of growing, meaning more sites, multiple sites. How do you manage it? Complicated. We had an opportunity. The land that we're on at the moment was a field and it became available. We've invested 4 million. We were 21, we're now 44 people. We have a platform for growth, both in systems, capacity in terms of space, machinery and people. We've built an excellent team to be proud of and to take us forward. So I'd like to introduce to you David Davis, our local MP.
Nick, thank you very much indeed for the opportunity to come along here and say a few words, because it is businesses like this that are going to drive this country forward, that are generating the jobs that we all need and the profits that we all need. And may I just say to you, to your family, to everyone who's worked in this business and made it the success it is, all the very best. Thank you very much for what you're doing for all of us, and I wish you all the best in the future. Thank you.
I think they want us to step forward slightly. We'll cut the ribbon.
Declare this factory open.
Hooray! Thank you.